Basically, in beginning your presentation, there are two ways. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm gonna share you how to beginning your presentation. But before we move on to the video, please like this video, leave your comment below, subscribe, and also share this video. Basically, in beginning your presentation, there are two ways. The first one is introducing yourself. In introducing yourself, there are three parts. The first one is greeting. For example, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and etc. It depends on condition. Second one is telling your name. Tell the audience about your full name. It's better for you to telling your full name. For example, let me start it by telling a bit of myself. The third one is telling the audience about your position. The example is, I'm an English teacher. Position means your job. The second one is introducing your talk. In introducing your talk, there are 5 words: S, P, L, O, and Q. S for subject, P for purpose, L for length, O for outlining, and Q for questions. Telling your subject, you can use this expression. The subject of my talk is blah blah blah. The focus of my presentation is blah blah blah. The topic of my paper is blah blah blah. Go on to the purpose. By telling the purpose means that you're telling the audience why are you in front of them, and you can use this expression. We are here today to decide blah blah blah. We are here today to agree with blah blah blah. We are here today to learn about blah blah blah. Or if you want to take the more academic one, you can use this expression. The aim today is to give some background about blah blah blah. We move on to the length. For telling the length means that you're telling the audience how long you will take the part for your talk. And you can use this expression. I plan to speak for 15 minutes. I shall take 15 minutes of your time. The next one is for telling your outline. Means that you're telling the audience what you are going to talk. And you can use this expression. We can break this area down into the following fields. Blah blah blah. This subject can be looked at under the following heading. And go on to the next one, or the last one, Q for questions. If you don't want the audience to interrupt you while you are talking, you can use this expression. I'd be glad to answer any question at the end of my talk. And after you explain the S, P, L, O, and Q, you can beginning or you can start your presentation by using this expression. Okay, let's start with the first point, blah blah blah. Alright, we can begin by looking at blah blah blah. Okay, that's all my explanation. And the conclusion of my talk today is, if you want to begin your presentation, there are two ways. The first one is introducing yourself. In introducing yourself, there are 3 parts. The first one is greeting. The second one is telling your full name to the audience. The third one is telling your position or your job. And the second one is introducing your talk. In introducing your talk, you just need to explain S, P, L, O, and Q. And then after you finish to explain those are, so you can start your presentation. Okay, that's all of my video today. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.